Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Haley. Lane is in the other room. I'm just filming a quick little intro to the video that we are about to record. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are already a subscriber, thanks for being part of the family. So I seen this video that Taylor Skeens posted where she bought this, like, I kind of hate this word, but fart spray. And so she was riding in the vehicle with her boyfriend and she would spray it without him noticing, and then she was like making it like she was passing gas, but she was embarrassed and stuff like that, just to see how her boyfriend would react. So I laughed through that entire video. So then I was like, I have to buy some. So I went on Amazon and bought some. And so we got in the car and I said, well, I was really gonna do a review on the Reaper fries at Taco Bell. So I told Terrence, I was like, you drive, I'm gonna record, because it's gonna be the part of us going and getting the Reaper fries or whatever. And so we were driving and Lane was in the back seat. We didn't really plan anything, like, excuse me, me and Lane didn't talk about what we were gonna say or anything. What is on me? I don't know what that is. We didn't talk about what we were gonna say or how it was gonna go or how we were gonna act. Look how long my hair is getting. Like, legit, this is the longest it's been in like 2 years. Like, on the top. No, probably about a year. Anyway, okay. So Lane just knew that I had the spray and we hid it from Terrence. So we got in the car and we were driving and we sprayed the spray. I have the video footage. I'm gonna connect it. I'm just letting you know what's going on. But anyways, so yeah, that is what this video is. Lane and I knew. Terrence ended up finding out because I accidentally, when I sprayed it one time, it got on him. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but like the juices flew on him and it smells so bad. But anyway, so stick around, watch this video, and if you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe so you can continue to watch our videos and be part of the family. If you have any fun video ideas you would like us to do, just let us know in the comments below and we will get to them. Alright, so here's the rest of the video. Hey everyone. Okay, so we're on our way to Taco Bell right now and we're going to be trying the Reaper fries. So we got to go order them. If the phone's a little shaky, I forgot to get anything to hold the camera, the phone. So I'm just holding my arm out. So my arm's probably gonna get tired. Oh, I'm probably gonna sit my leg up. Hold it. Okay. Hold on, guys. Are y'all excited?
Yeah.
We're probably gonna get more than just Reaper fries, just because we're all starving.
I'm really not starving.
I am.
I'm starving. I didn't eat nothing at school today because we were supposed to have freaking nachos, chili cheese nachos, whatever they're called. But then they ran out of food, so we had to eat some freaking nasty sloppy Joe.
I love sloppy joes.
That doesn't make any sense. They
need to stack up on their food because they ran out of food. God, that gets on my nerves.
They didn't just it's not like they gotta stock up butter. It's just they need to cook a little more.
No, they need to learn how to prepare the right amount of food for the amount of students that they have.
In our school's defense,
Dude, it's been like 3 weeks.
In our school's defense, we've had a couple cafeteria ladies that have been there forever finally retired. They knew what they were doing. Now we got some new people.
My thing is too, Lane, is after this one mistake, this same mistake won't happen again.
This has been happening all 3 weeks.
They got an issue
on for a
then.
while.
Okay,
Makes you look like a little China doll.
Watch the road.
Oh, Pooper Ball, like, who's driving? He's not even looking at the road. Don't act like you don't do that. I be looking at stuff all the time.
Okay, you just watch the road.
Whatever.
What the?
Okay, we're gonna die or something.
Y'all.
There.
Y'all.
Now. What?
My shoes are untied.
Really?
Yeah, I just put them on. I didn't even think about tying them.
So we're going across the river.
So we're gonna do a
To-
mukbang, or we just order what we want?
Yeah, we're gonna eat our fries.
This thing is
We're gonna
hilarious.
eat the Raven fries, but then we're also going to get whatever else. I want some soft tacos, I guess.
Bro, you know what? You know what makes it funny? I mean, it's hilarious. Y'all always like, I want this, 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 because I'm starving. Then we get all of this crap, and then y'all like, oh, I'm full after like the second, third bite. Oh, I don't really like this. Or, oh, I'm full.
Well, it's gonna be okay.
Man, my stomach hurts.
Why?
She's starving.
Like, for real, it hurts really bad.
Probably gotta take a poop.
Dad, I probably do. It hurts so bad.
Wait till you get on these fries. Your mom's about to get her wherever.
Oh my god, it's guys.
Oh my god! Bro, it smells like you just crapped your pants. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dang! Dang! Good lord! Oh my god!
I'm sorry.
Oh my god! It's literally like doo-doo in the back. Oh! Oh! Bro, did you squirt me or something? Oh!
You got it. I can't see anything.
I'm about to throw up.
I'm sorry, Dad. My stomach hurts. I probably should have took my medicine before I drank milk at school today.
Bro, if you smell like that, we're taking you to the hospital. We're not going to Taco Bell. We're going to drop you off at the hospital. Right now, bro. Right now.
Dude, I think somebody has used
Oh! It's on my shirt! Dude!
I'm sorry.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, that's some of that crap spray?
It was from my butt, okay?
Dude! I can't even get away from it.
It was from my butt. I'm sorry. I told you this.
It's trapped in your nose hairs. And you're putting your nose hairs in your shirt.
No, I don't think it's my nose hairs.
What? It's in your nose hairs.
Dude, what is that?
It's from my butt. It's
What?
called farting,
No,
Dad.
bro.
Stop.
No.
It is.
I felt the mist. You were squirting.
No.
Beck.
She was coughing and laughing.
Lies from the pits of hell.
Dude,
She
it was
spit.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna let you know, I'm gonna get out. If I smell more doo-doo spray, I'm just gonna stop the car. We'll get out of this sucker.
Why are we riding with the windows down?
What? Did you just not smell that? It smelled like straight crap.
Dude, it's gone.
Dude, I'm gonna roll my window back up. If I can still smell it, it's gonna be bad.
I mean, dang. You can't get mad because she
Dad,
farted.
my stomach hurts so bad.
Lying, I swear on my life. I'll watch you the entire time. They're gonna be like, oh my god, they're gonna have a wreck.
Watch the road.
No, no, no.
My stomach hurts.
Lying, let me see your other hand.
Can you just get us to Taco
Yeah,
Bell?
I can. We're going in. I don't trust you on I'm not going to the drive-thru.
We're not going in.
Dude,
I'm not going to the drive-thru.
Dude,
with
they
this
probably
smell.
kicked us out for recording.
Yeah, if your booty be smelling like that.
She needs to get home because her stomach hurts.
She needs to go home and wipe her butt.
See that? There's nothing in my hand.
We need to go to inside Taco Bell. She needs to wipe a few times.
She might have dookied in her
Hey.
pants.
Might have. Might have. No, bro. She did that. She did that. And we about to feed her Taco Bell. Lord have mercy. Do not. Do not.
What?
I heard your mama. She said, go.
No, I
She
did
said,
not.
do it again.
No, I did
She
not.
probably told me to fart again to where.
You're probably embarrassing Lane too because we're sitting here doing this video.
I'm sure. I'm
I'm
sure.
so embarrassed.
Bros, I'm sure.
All right, Lane, what all do you want?
I want Nacho Supreme. And
Dude, smell right there. Smell right there. It smells like crap.
I don't
It
smell
smells right
anything.
here. Right here on the back.
I don't smell anything. You're so weird.
Dude. Oh my God. Give me some perfume. What the hell?
I don't have it in here.
You have your purse.
Okay.
I need some help.
We're not spraying my perfume.
I gotta smell like a French, you know what? Ugh. I just got this shirt for my birthday.
Dad, your birthday hasn't even came. Thank God. Just wait. It's like a month, okay? Chill. Cool your beans, dude.
His birthday's in like 6 days.
Oh,
Less than that. It's about 6 days.
might be.
Uncle Phil's birthday's in
And I
6 days.
And I ooh.
Birthday's in just a few days. Philip's birthday. What's the day?
The 29th.
We got 31 days. We got 2 more days.
Okay, so what do you want, Lane? Are you listening to what she wants?
Yeah.
I want Nacho Supreme and a hard taco.
Bro, you don't need. You just need like some cinnamon twist. Actually, I'm gonna ask them if you can just have straight cheese.
That's
Kinda
gonna make it worse.
She's lactose intolerant.
Yeah, but maybe to constipate her.
You go ahead.
I think she got some doo doo running down her leg right now.
I'll tell you what I want when you get done with her.
What do you want, Lane?
I want a Nacho Supreme with a hard taco.
And some Reaper fries. We need 3 orders of Reaper fries because we all need to order.
Nacho Supreme. Do we see a meal with that?
No.
Look, look.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to put it in the car.
And I ooh. Oh, no.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
Is that really just I gotta order some food. Oh my God. God. I hate y'all. I hate y'all.
It's so bad.
Oh my God. I'm about to hop the curb. I'm about to get I ain't think coming off the line. This is how it be. That's how I gotta look now, guys. That's how I gotta look. I don't even know where my phone is. It smells horrible. I can't smell. I'm not. It smells like you cut it fresh off.
Oh,
Take a
How
little.
are you doing today? Thanks for waiting. Go ahead, Charlotte, please.
Yes, ma'am. Let's see. Can I have a Nacho Supreme
Okay.
and a hard taco?
Okay.
Let's see. I want to do
so bad.
some Reaper fries.
3 orders.
We no longer have the nacho fries. That promotion has ended.
Oh man. Okay. Well,
I want a taco salad then.
let's
The Fiesta taco
let
salad
me
with a
get
drink.
a
13.
number 50.
Hold on just a moment.
Okay.
15. Man, that's some crap. Well, guys.
Okay, that's a nice supreme, a regular taco, and what else?
A number 15, a Fiesta taco salad.
Okay, what flavor drink?
Pepsi.
Pepsi.
Okay.
And also, can I have
I want some cinnamon twist.
a number 2 steak with a soft taco?
Okay, what flavor drink?
Mountain Dew.
Okay.
And then can I get a beefy 5-layer burrito?
Okay.
And that'll
Did you
do
do some
me.
cinnamon twist?
Oh, and some cinnamon twist.
Okay, here's that first.
Anything else to it?
Yes.
No, ma'am, that'll be all.
Okay, 2241. Thank you, please.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I swear to God, I hate y'all.
I'm about to vomit. I'm gonna vomit. Smell mine.
No, we go
Oh, my God.
They'd be like, what is that smell in their car? It's like a dookie up in there.
Good God, it's horrible.
Hurry up. God, what?
Hi.
Hello.
The total is $22.41. What kind of taco sauce would you care for today?
I want Diablo.
Because you are one.
Oh my God.
Oh, dear God.
So smells
Dude, this thing's gonna be in here for days.
Smell my
I'm
fingers.
not.
Please.
It's in my shirt.
Please, one time.
I'm not. I'm not.
Thank you. You also have a survey on your receipt.
All right, thank you.
Drop up. Oh, dear heaven. Dear baby Jesus.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It is so bad.
What kind of sauce?
Can we get some Diablo?
It's so bad. I'm trying to make Lane smell my hand. No! I'm not smelling it.
Did y'all squirt more of that stuff?
There's no squirting stuff. This is. Oh my god!
I hate y'all. I swear to God. I'm never going.
Please.
I'm never going with y'all anywhere ever again. I swear to God. I've tried my own ride. If y'all put that stuff in my vehicle, I'm cutting y'all off.
Oh my God.
Cutting y'all off.
Oh my God.
Get your hands over. I know. What does it say?
Liquid something.
Yeah. Okay. That's exactly.
Oh my. I'm not gonna make it.
You sprayed way too much.
It's all over my hand.
Y'all, I didn't.
Smell my hand.
Y'all, I need to tell y'all something. I didn't actually fart. It was a part of the video.
It was this right here. Liquid. Can't say that word, but I'm gonna show
A-word.
you. It smells horrific, and I made the mistake.
You can't even breathe through your mouth because you're gonna taste it.
Oh my God! What the? I made the mistake
Oh
of.
my God. You spray so what you do? Bust the bottle? God bless.
I made the mistake of spraying it
It's so bad.
and getting it all over my hand. So now my hand smells like Wretched.
God.
And they will smell my hands before
I'm
we're
not.
done with this.
I'm
Just
not.
one will.
No,
I'm gonna keep spraying it.
I can smell it in the
I'm
car.
gonna keep spraying
I'm
it.
not smelling your hand.
Smell my hand.
Get your
I'm gonna spray you like cologne. Do it.
Don't throw that whole thing.
Do it.
Hold her. Don't.
Y'all have a great day and come back and see.
Dude, thank you. Here's your sign. Don't let mom touch you with her doo-doo hand.
Smell it. I'm about to spray you like
Dude, it
cologne.
smells like kitty
I'm gonna throw
litter.
that whole drink on you right
It
now.
smells like
I
kitty
swear to
doo-doo.
God. I swear on my
Oh my
life.
god, you know only kitten doo-doo.
Oh my God.
Huh?
That has to be your hand I'm smelling.
Try
Dude,
it.
I smell it. Oh. Whoa.
Oh, what's his car, dude? You
I
gonna
don't
give me
care.
a hit?
I would rather die.
Go.
I can't. There's a dump truck.
Man, and now all my food.
Oh my God. I'm going to hell for using God's
Watch out.
name.
I think we're gonna go to. If we went to hell, it'd be for something a lot more different than that.
Oh, taco food mixed with that smell smells horrible.
Smell
No,
my.
I smell it. I already smelled it. Stop.
Wayne, please.
I said all through the car.
One time for the camera, smell my hand. Please.
Dang, I smell it. I smell it from this
But say you
thing.
can smell it. What do you mean?
No,
can
you
smell it
gotta
right
take
here.
an up close smell. I did.
That's why I'm gagging.
Oh my
Please,
God.
just
It
once.
smells horrible. I can't even roll the window.
It's so bad.
Where's the straws?
Right here.
Oh my. It is.
Stop putting your hand in my face unless you want to die.
Please smell my
I
hand.
already did. I did.
Right now for the camera, one
No,
time. One
you
time.
did it. I about threw up.
One time. Please, somebody smell it. They got. Yeah, well, somebody's got to live to death with me.
Well, that's your fault, girl.
Dude,
Please take a
I
smell
just did. Oh my
up
God.
close.
No, you're
Smell
not.
it.
No.
Just do that. Hurry up.
I
One time. Do it.
Keep your hand to yourself. It's disgusting.
Guys, I'm gonna just say that stuff.
Get your nasty doo-doo hands out your food. That's gross.
Go drive. You're supposed to drive. Oh my gosh, just letting y'all know.
It smells like you've been handling like
Mama, here's the
just
Diablo.
straight doo-doo. Like you changed the doo-doo
I can't get it right now. Just let y'all know.
You eating that with your doo-doo hand?
The other hand.
Oh.
This stuff. Go ahead then. Smells completely.
Can't believe y'all
Disgusting.
sprayed my shirt.
I didn't mean to. Terrence is whining.
Well, it like lingers and stays. It doesn't
So
leave.
bad.
I think it's actual like liquid doo-doo.
Open it and see what color it
You
is.
can. It's a sealed bottle with those things. You can't bust them open. You have to cut it open.
No, it's not. You can screw the top unscrew.
Oh, all the ones I've always seen, they can't unscrew. That way you don't accidentally get it on yourself.
That's so bad.
That's how bad it is.
This one is that bad, and they let you unscrew the top.
The guys at work got that one time. And I'm telling you,
Bro, I'm so famous because I keep on getting boys.
You can take it to work and spray dry.
No, I'm
Yes.
not starting that war. Because I'm just
Bro,
one
I'm
million.
so hot. I'm getting so many boys Snapchatting me.
Oh my gosh. Anyway.
It's actually just one, but you know.
I tried to get Terrence to take the spray to work,
Give me the
and he
bag.
said he's not starting a war.
That'll be some soft taco. I'm not, dude.
I like pranks.
I do too.
Terrence does not.
I like pranks.
Got it?
I got it, dude. Here, let me hold the phone.
Anyway,
Let me hold the phone.
we were gonna hold on. do a video of
Dude, it
us
smells worse right there.
reviewing Diablo fries. Reaper fries. Not Diablo fries. Really, Haley? Come on. Okay. Reaper fries. That's what I should have said. But our Taco Bell doesn't have them anymore.
Wait, I want to see. I want to show them my book from whenever I was.
Speaking of things restaurants
hold
don't
it.
have anymore, go ahead and ask people what they think about the Popeyes chicken sandwich we ain't ate yet.
Let me hold
Well, a
it.
lot of people have been reviewing the Popeyes chicken sandwich with a Chick-fil-A sandwich, and we don't have a Chick-fil-A.
Sadly, we don't.
Ooh, we could probably compare it to like a McDonald's or Wendy's.
Let me hold the
Yeah,
thing.
McDonald's and Wendy's ain't even getting any love.
Huh?
Okay, guys. So,
Make sure to look at the camera.
okay, this is a little one-on-one time with Lane Guillory. Okay. So, I'm feeling kind of bored, so I might as well just show y'all my book that I had whenever I was. How old was I whenever I had this? I was little. Okay, that's not an age, but you know. Anyways, okay. So whenever I was little, I used to pretend like that little girl right there. The girl on the surfboard was me, because back then I had blonde hair. You know, your sister shook. Okay, anyways, whatever. And then that little Chihuahua was Brooklyn, my dog. And then that dolphin, I don't know who that was. Whoever that was irrelevant. Okay, anyways, then there's a little kitty cat on the paper, and and then a person that I drew. So gorgeous. And then here's Bianca. I used to draw Bianca all the time. She's a little cat person. Cat human. See?
No words, really. I guess Lane just needs her moment. Enjoy.
Okay, and she's saying meow because she's half person, half human, obviously.
Half person, half human.
I meant half person, half cat. Sorry.
So you didn't drive?
Anyways, so then, sorry, I'm gonna try and talk Australian. Sorry. Okay, anyways. Then we got another Bianca. She's a rebel. And don't mind my hair. This is what you call pee. Anyways, then we got another Bianca, but she got into a fight. Bianca drugged some girls. Okay, then there's just a bunch of scribbly writing. There's another scribbly writing. And then here's a truck that my little cousin drew. It gets more interesting. And then here's so I'm sorry, my mom, she's being a little party pooper, but you know. That's one-on-one time with Lane. Okay, back to the video.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and stop it now.
Thank God. No more doo-doo spray.
For now.
No, I'll throw it out the window. Where's it at?
Whoa!
Bless somebody.
I almost dropped my taco salad. Can you get over so these cars can get out?
Yeah.
You're such a rude driver.
They had like 4 hours they could have went.
Anyway.
We could have got out.
Alright guys, so make sure that if y'all like this video that you hit that like button hit the subscribe button. Share our video with your friends, family, anybody. We don't care. And y'all just make sure to come back and check us out.
We're at a red light. Peace!
You gotta make sure and hit subscribe so you know every time that we upload a new video. Alright guys, peace out.